In 1888, Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero, traveled to Hong Kong and Macau. His time in these cities was an important part of his journey toward fighting for freedom and justice for the Philippines. Rizal arrived in Hong Kong on February 13, 1888, after leaving Manila on February 3. Hong Kong was very different from the Philippines. People were free and the city was busy with trade and new ideas. While in Hong Kong, Rizal worked as a doctor. He opened a small clinic and helped people with eye problems, treating both rich and poor. He used this time not only to help others but also to continue his work for the Filipino people. Rizal also met some Filipino people who live in Hong Kong, as well as other smart and important thinkers. These meetings helped him learn more about how other countries were fighting for their rights and freedom. After his time in Hong Kong, Rizal traveled to Macau on April 8, 1888. Macau was a place where both Chinese and Portuguese cultures came together, and Rizal was curious to see how these cultures mixed. In Macau, Rizal explored the city. He looked at its buildings, churches, and the mix of Chinese and Portuguese cultures. Though his stay was short, he learned a lot about how different cultures can live together. Rizal also spent time talking to people in Macau. He had conversations about freedom, change, and how people should work together for a better future. These moments in Hong Kong and Macau gave Rizal a chance to think about his goals. He realized that in order to fight for freedom in the Philippines, he needed to keep learning and connecting with others. On July 6, 1888, Rizal left Hong Kong to continue his travels. His time in Hong Kong and Macau helped him grow as a person and as a leader for change in the Philippines. The time Rizal spent in these two cities helped shape his thoughts on freedom and justice. It reminded him that people from all over the world could work together for a better future. Dr. Jose Rizal's journey in Hong Kong and Macau shows us that the people we met and the places we go can teach us important lessons. His travels helped him fight for the freedom of his people, and his story continues to inspire us today.